Hi Simply Bakers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my favorite pumpkin chocolate chip bread recipe. It's my favorite because 1, it's super duper easy, and number 2, it's a crowd pleaser. Let's begin! So in a large bowl, add the brown sugar, the canned pumpkin puree, the egg whites, some oil, some Greek yogurt. I used honey flavor because that's what I had in my fridge, but feel free to use the regular flavor or vanilla flavored. So using a whisk, you're going to mix everything until it's well combined. So the complete recipe is over at my blog, simplybakings.com. The link will be in the description box. So once you're done mixing, set this bowl aside, and in another bowl, you're going to add the all-purpose flour, the baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Then continue mixing until everything is well combined. Now you're going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and you're just going to continue mixing. It's just a lot of mixing, adding. It's super easy. That's what I love about this recipe. You can't mess up. Okay guys, I'm curious to know, what are your favorite pumpkin recipes? Mine is chocolate chip cookies with pumpkin, just because I love pumpkin, and when added to chocolate chip cookies, it just gives a nice chewy flavor. So let me know in the comments. And back to the recipe, you're going to add some chocolate chips. I use dark chocolate because I love dark chocolate, but if you don't have it available, you can use regular chocolate chips or semi-sweet. So you're just going to continue mixing. It doesn't take very long to mix this part, and then you're going to grab a loaf pan. Now this recipe makes enough for 2 loaves, so I put half in this glass one and then half in another one. So I evened out the top of the pumpkin mixture with my spatula and popped it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it took about 45 minutes to bake in my oven. It might only take you about 35, so just really keep an eye on it. So once it's done baking, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely, so it's so much easier to remove from the loaf pan. And oh my goodness, you guys, my house smelled so good. And of course, the pumpkin bread tasted so delicious because they had chocolate chips. Man, just pumpkin and chocolate chips taste so good together. So don't forget to let me know in the comments, what is your favorite pumpkin recipe.